43 people in 10 days in my network marketing business. I'm going to be showing you how I did it. I'll be showing you the 3 steps to get new recruits into your network marketing business. 5 different methods of completely free traffic that you can use to get people coming into your business. And I'll even be showing you my secret sauce, which allowed me to explode in a network marketing business. Let's check it out. What's up, YouTube? Now, I'm an affiliate marketer. My name's John Crestani, and I don't currently do network marketing, but I blew up. I made over $1 million in a network marketing business very fast, and I'm going to be going over what I've done to blow up my business and how you can do the exact same things as well. Before we get into the 3 steps to get recruits into your business, you have to understand this. Now, the difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing, there are really 2 key differences, okay? The first is in the compensation structure, in the sense that, in network marketing, you make money not just from your sales or your customers, but you make money from their customers too. Whereas in affiliate marketing, you only make money from the customers that you sell. The other key difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing is that network marketing is a relationships business, okay? Now, whereas affiliate marketing is more about just getting a great ad, getting a great sales message, and getting the sale. It's not about following up with people. It's about just putting out a great message that gets you money back very quickly. It's very transactional. Whereas network marketing is about the relationship. And typically, to get a customer in network marketing, you need anywhere from 5 to 8 touch points of the same person over time for them to buy from you and be a part of your team and grow their own team in network marketing. So you have to understand that key difference, and that's going to be very important when we go into the 5 different methods of getting traffic, of getting new recruits into your network marketing business. Okay, let's go to the 3-step system. Now, if you're currently working in a network marketing business, or if you've done it in the past, please comment below what company did you do network marketing for, and let me know. Or even if you've just been pitched by a company, just say I was pitched by somebody for prepaid legal, or Herbalife or Amway, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments what network marketing company or companies you've worked for or are familiar with. I'd love and be interested to know. But let's go into the 3 steps to recruit. Now, the first step is to understand. It's an understanding that this is a numbers game, and you are going to have to reach out to a lot of people, whether that is through phone calls or texts or sending emails or messages or online interactions. This is about volume. You have to message or talk to a lot of people every single day. You don't need to do it in person. That's old school. But you need to message a lot of people every single day, and you should be measuring yourself. I even measure myself every single day if you want to eventually grow your team. Don't be lazy here. Make sure you're messaging or reaching out to at least 25 people a day, and we'll go into how we can get those people in just a second here. Okay, so step number 2 is building your following, okay? You must build your following if you're gonna do network marketing the internet way, because let's face it, you wanna travel the world, you wanna buy exotic cars and pursue your hobbies or spend time with your family. You don't wanna be going out to Starbucks to meet with people and pitch them, okay? So we're gonna build your social media. And the first step is you have to follow people. You have to get people following you. You have to get your audience base up. And with Twitter, the way you get followers is you follow other people and you hope they follow you back. You have to look like an interesting person to know. So, put up, motivational quotes, or put up value-added posts, put up positivity sort of related and luxury and lifestyle and travel related posts if you want to go after recruits to sell the opportunity in network marketing. If you want to sell the product, just put up pictures and information about the product, whether it's skincare. But you can follow 1,000 people. That is the max limit, or else they will ban you, okay? Follow 1,000 people a day, and some of those people will follow you back. And then you just keep doing that every single day and you'll build up your Twitter audience fast. Instagram, you can follow 50 new people per day. So you follow 50 people every single day and hope some of them follow you back. And over weeks and months, your audience will grow. And if you even do this over years, people will look at you and say, wow, they're lucky. They're an influencer now. How did they do this? When really all you did was take consistent action. On Facebook, you can friend 499 people per day. So you just keep adding people until I think you can add 5,000 friends per account, okay? And then on LinkedIn, you can add 50 people per day. So you can add 50 new connections per day, and this builds your following people every time you post any status update or any sales message. These people are gonna see your messaging. You're building your touch points slowly but surely. Now, once these people have friended you, they're gonna see your updates. And if you update multiple times a day, slowly over time, you're creating a virtual relationship with a lot of people. Cool, right? Now, what's great about this is no matter if you're doing network marketing, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce, whatever you're selling, your audience is yours, and you will be able to leverage them and sell things to them and create a relationship with them over time and utilize that free traffic you are building up. But let's focus on network marketing for a second here and talk about getting recruits just by socializing. So where does this come in? They're seeing your post. How do you actually get the people interested in buying your stuff? Now, if you're committed to putting some of this into action, building your audience of free traffic, type in committed in the comments below, because it's not just a signifier to me, but it's a signifier to yourself and a commitment to yourself to put these things in action, because the money is so easy right now. You are missing out if you don't get started today. Okay, so now to get recruits, you're gonna have to message them something, okay? You're gonna have to send them a message and actually get them to sign up for whatever program it is or talk to you. So what you wanna do, I mean, again, you wanna ask questions. You don't wanna just send them a message and say, buy this. You wanna say, hey, I was wondering if you're interested in learning how to make money or what you're currently doing for a living. Those are great soft starts, because if they're following you and you're posting motivational, money-oriented topics, people are going to DM you or respond back and say, this is what I'm doing, you know, and what are you doing? On Twitter, you can send 1,000 DMs per day. So 1,000 outbound messages to your followers per day. On Instagram, you can send 150 messages a day. Now, again, in these messages, all we're doing is we're asking people a question. We're saying, hey, I was wondering what you currently do for money. Okay, or I was wondering if you're working for yourself, or you running your own business, bro, or whatever it is. Don't use any uppercase letters. Talk like you would to your friends and just send them a plain question. If people respond, then go on and say, hey, I'd like to talk to you about, you know, the company I'm working for. You can make a lot of money doing it. There's lots of people making a lot of money. I was wondering to see if you're interested. Let me send you some more information. Send them an information packet. Send them a link. Send them a video. Send them places where they can go to learn how they can earn more money, you know, running this network marketing business. But you start that relationship off with a direct message and a question, just a really normal, personal question. Don't use proper grammar. Don't use proper spelling, because the only people who use proper grammar or spelling are not people using direct messages on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, right? On Facebook, you can send 20 messages a day, only 20 messages a day, but you can gradually increase that over time. Facebook's very hard to spam, okay? But you want to just gradually increase that. And again, if you ask a question, it's not gonna seem like spam. Whereas if you send people just a message that says, sign up, sign up, sign up, it's gonna seem a little more spammy. Again, what we're focused on here is the relationship. On LinkedIn, you can do 80 messages a day. So now let me show you an example here on my computer of a network marketer using social media successfully. Now this is how you do it on Instagram. This guy's name is Tiger, something like that. And he is an Asian guy from Australia that is doing network marketing, okay? So let's see this. So his tagline, he has videos that explain what he's doing, his main link. Again, he's not trying to sell you something right here. It's a YouTube link. It's not a link to buy something. What he's doing is he's working on the relationship. Again, network marketing is about the relationship. He's not putting a link saying, hey, sign up for Herbalife or sign up for whatever his company is to buy from me. He's focused more on the relationship before he gets to the sale. Let's move onwards. So if we see here, he has 268,000 followers. So he has a lot of people that he can reach out to or direct message or whatever to help grow his business. And you see all of his posts are lifestyle posts, are kind of motivating, fun, mansion, stuff like that, cars and lifestyle. He's really focused on showing the type of life you can live when you're running a lean business, which is network marketing. He has girls with him. He has fancy clothes, smoking, vaping, gambling, hanging out with other influencers. He's doing all this sort of stuff. Money. He's doing social right. And I almost guarantee you, anybody he would reach out to, if he reaches out to any of his followers and say, hey, what you doing for money, bro, right now? They would reply back and they would say, wow, I can't believe you're messaging me. I'm currently trying to start a, e-commerce business or whatever they are. And he'd say, hey, I can help you out. You can join my team and I'll be your mentor. And that's how network marketing works. That'll be a really good approach and that'll be really direct. I mean, that's pretty easy. But the assumption is that if he sends somebody a message, they've seen a number of his posts. He's posting daily on YouTube, Instagram, all these platforms. So people are familiar with him. They have a relationship with him, even if he's necessarily not talked to them before. Does that make sense? Money gun's dying. So that's how you do network marketing right now. If you got massive value from this video, go to the comments right now and type in, boom, massive value, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join my money club. You see the join button. It's like $50 a month if you want some of my free courses and you want weekly live streams or bi-weekly live streams from me where you can ask me questions and learn about what I do. I make $1 million a month in my affiliate marketing business. Now I'm gonna give you the secret sauce right here about how I was able to get all these recruits in just 10 days. Now, here's a little screenshot of proof of getting all of these recruits in that time period. And as you can see, if we zoom in right here, we can see these notifications, cha-ching, you got sales, and you can see in a period of 10 days, we got 43 new recruits to the network marketing company I was working with a year or two ago. Now, the way I did that, my little secret sauce is I have my own online courses. I was selling an online course called Internet Jet Set, which was a very low ticket. It was very cheap. It was only a couple dollars. And it's not sold anymore. The only way you can get it is if you join my money club. And I got people to join my low ticket course and program I recommended. The company I recommended people market for was this network marketing company. Now, I don't recommend network marketing companies personally anymore. I recommend doing affiliate marketing. I think it's more scalable. I think it's, there can be some shady things with network marketing companies that I'm not, happy with. I still think it's a great space, but I do affiliate marketing for a living. I don't do network marketing anymore, but if you want to learn about all that stuff, join the Money Club and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and talk to you soon. Excited to help you make money. And remember, type in the comments below. Let me know if you got value from this massive value, if you got some good stuff. See you in the next video. See you soon. Let's get it.